This is the Z85 Max in the always-on mode. Slight twist, you can bring it into any watch face you want. Gorgeous, colorful AMOLED screen display on this watch. You can twist through, see a few different watch faces, and a lot of animation on these as well. Swipe down, you get your recent tasks. Swipe over this way, you get a pull-out panel with some basic information. It gives you everything you need to know about your day, your biometrics, the weather, even an integrated music player in this one. When you swipe up, you get into a variety of controls, including access to the onboard compass if you want, and all kinds of other things. And you can change these around and add different things to them if you'd like to, too. When you swipe this way, you're getting your heart rate information, including the last 24 hours of access for the day, high and low. Come again to blood pressure. It's going to measure that and show you your most recent measurements. You've got the same thing going for blood oxygen if you want to, and it'll keep track of that for you. Last night's sleep information with a chart and breakdown, and of course more detail in the app when you pair it to the app and head over there. You got weather in your area, you've got all kinds of stuff, humidity and your brightness outside, UV index, and your forecast over the different days. And then you've got your watch faces that we're back on as well. Tap this button, you're into all of your different activities. There's your step count information that's available too. Just a lot of detail of information here. Onboard music player if you want to. We'll stream the music from your phone to the watch, nice and loud as well. You've got female information where you are in your cycle if you set that up on the app. Weather again, very sensitive screen. Let's twirl it and get down through these. Breathing exercise program, calculators, timers, even a stopwatch that'll run in the background when you leave it, which is really handy. You've got find your phone, your camera connections, overall settings, a couple of games in this one, and the compass, as we said. And speaking of compass, I can switch you over to another watch face like this one that actually has the onboard compass built into it. Really exquisite. This puppy is very inexpensive, and it's available. Comes with 3 different bands, a metal one, a leather one, and then this rubberized one integrated beautifully with the watch body design. It's known as the Z85 Max. Check it out.